Welcome to our channel. Today we how to budget with ClearScore, quick tutorial step by step clearly. To start budgeting with ClearScore, visit the ClearScore website or open the mobile app. Create an account if you don't already have one. Log into your account using your credentials. Once logged in, navigate to the budgeting section. ClearScore will ask for your income details. Enter your monthly income accurately to get started. Next, you'll need to list your regular expenses. This includes rent, utilities, groceries, and any subscriptions. Be thorough and consider all recurring payments. After entering your expenses, review the total amount. ClearScore will calculate your available budget. If your expenses exceed your income, consider adjusting them. You can categorize your spending to identify essential and non-essential expenses. Look for areas where you can cut back. Set financial goals for yourself to keep you motivated. ClearScore allows you to track your progress over time. Regularly check your budget to stay on track. Adjust your budget as necessary with changes in income or expenses. Utilize ClearScore's tools to monitor your credit score. This will help ensure that you stay financially healthy. Celebrate small wins as you stick to your budget. With consistency, you'll achieve your financial goals. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.